It's really bad weather outside, so today we will be mostly inside working on the home studio, so stay tuned. So before we have a look at the studio, we will make a trip to the largest IKEA in Sweden to get a new table. I got to start by saying thank you for subscribing to the channel. We are now at over 4,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for this. When we reach 5,000 subscribers, we are going to do a giveaway again. You don't want to miss that, so if you aren't subscribed, consider doing that and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I also relaunched our website offgrid.se, so head over there and register your email address as well, and I will be sending you an email when it's time for the giveaways. Now back to the content of the video. This isn't the standard type of video I make, but I've been getting some requests of how I make my videos and how my workspace is set up. The weather is really miserable outside, so it fits really well to do this right now, especially that I'm cleaning out my studio and upgrading it a little bit. The floor was filled with clutter, and it was hard to motivate myself going in there. And one of my goals for 2019 is to get more organized, so why not start with the studio? When I edit my videos, I do it either in the studio or somewhere else on my laptop, but I prefer to do it in the studio. The reason why I wanted to get a new table was because the old one was a little bit too small and I wanted to have a desk where I can both sit and stand. It's not good for your back sitting too long. When editing a video, I can be in the studio from 2 to 4 hours, and sitting down the whole time isn't good for me. I will certainly be in the studio from 5 to 7 each morning. I have set that time aside just to work on the channel. That's the reason I managed to get the website fixed. I don't mind waking up 2 hours early. I'm actually most productive in the mornings. So my workspace is really simple. On the desk I got a 40-inch 4K monitor. This gives me a big area to fit everything I need to be able to work efficiently. I got a Razer Black Widow keyboard because I like the clickiness of the keys. I got a wireless ergonomic mouse from Microsoft, nothing special about that one. The major game changer for me was the Shuttle Pro 2. This makes editing much faster, as you are able to scrub through footage much faster and don't have to find the shortcuts on the keyboard. Good audio is key to video. I use the Samsung G-Track condenser microphone that is mounted in a shock mount, so I don't get vibrations from the desk traveling into the microphone. In an upcoming video I will show you all the gear I use to shoot the videos as well. To be able to hear good, I got headsets from Plantronics. It's good to have these so I don't get disturbed by the kids. But mostly I don't get disturbed. I try to edit my videos in the mornings between 5 and 7 before the rest of the family wakes up. The voiceovers I have to do during the day, because I don't want to disturb the rest of the family sleeping, and I don't want to put in a lot of money soundproofing the room. On the table I also got my Lemetric time so I can see the time and the subscriber count, which gets me motivated. In the front of this table I got the old table that I'm going to use when I film stuff inside. You will see it in an upcoming video when I show you the video gear that I got. A lot of you guys have wondered what type of gear I use. Don't worry, that video is coming up really soon. On the floor I got rugs from IKEA that I cut to size. These rugs makes the sound when I'm recording much better. No need for any wall treatment such as foam. The main tip of this video is to keep everything simple and clean. On the shelves behind me I bought some clear plastic containers that I'm organizing everything in. I still got some more organizing to do, but I'm on my way. Under the table is my computer. It's built by me. I got an i9 9900K 8-core processor, 32 gigs of RAM, one standard SSD and one M2 SSD. The graphic card is an Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080. The computer is cooled by a Corsair water cooler and powered by a Corsair 750 watt power supply. This is a beast for editing videos. No problem of displaying and transforming 4K footage in Premiere. I upload in 1080p, but I shoot and edit in a higher resolution. This computer saves me about 20% time when editing compared to my old computer, and rendering is about 50% faster. So that's the tour of the home studio this year. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you got any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments and I will answer them all. Have an amazing weekend and I'll see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.